guys, so I just arrived at Dane. So what we actually have planned to do in this video is to do some maintenance work on the EG. One of the things I really want to do on the EG is do a radiator flush, just to clean up everything, and then just do a full service, obviously oil filter, etc. I do have a few things actually laid out over here, so this is basically what we're going to do. If we do have enough time, I might just change out these and put them in here, or I can actually remove this and put them into my car. As you guys know, I have those little bubbles over there, but yeah, these are a few of the parts. What we also plan on doing when doing the radiator flush, to my understanding, we most likely have to remove the thermostat so that the water can flow right through the engine and through the whole system, and basically flushing the whole car. And then we can throw some coolant in as well. Okay guys, so we just removed the cap over here so that it releases the pressure. And as you guys can see, the water's running at the bottom over there. It's completely filthy. And then we're just going to fill it up again with some water and then some flush, and then this time around we are obviously going to remove the thermostat so that the water can flow through the whole system, or the flush can flow through the whole system. Okay guys, so then you're just removing the thermostat, and I just wanted to show you guys how filthy this water actually looks like. So what I actually plan on doing is maybe throwing all the stages of the flush into a clear bottle, just to show you guys the difference. And then obviously once it becomes clear, then we pretty much done and we can throw coolant in. Okay guys, so this is what the thermostat housing looks like. A little bit of corrosion outside, but that's not our concern. As you can see on the inside over here, there is little to no corrosion at all. Let me just try to show you guys here. So that's some good news. Okay guys, so here's just a few instructions that we are basically going to follow and then take it from there. So we're currently in the stage of obviously throwing the flush into here, and as you can see, it's kind of doing its magic. There was a little bit of water in, so we couldn't fill the whole thing up. Next, what we are most likely going to do once this is flushed is remove the thermostat, and then the water can basically flow right through. But before we obviously do that, we need to run the car for approximately 20 minutes if I'm not mistaken, and then we can do the flush. Okay guys, so we're currently busy with the second flush right now. In the meanwhile, what we plan on doing is maybe raising the rear just a little bit, maybe a centimeter or so, seeing that we do have time to waste. Okay guys, so I just want to share this with you guys. As you guys can see, there's no corrosion at all. So we're just going to put the thermostat back, and then we can put some coolant, and then we're all done. Yo guys, so it's been a few days since we did the radiator flush. Just arrived at Dane. Dane is currently busy with Hyundai kits. He's doing a head gasket, and then we're just going to continue with the rest of the service. And then also guys, stay tuned till the end of this video. I want to show you guys how bad, how can I say, the water or the flush was. And I basically put it in two stages. I'm showing you guys like how bad it is, and then there's like a middle section, and then how clear it is in the end. So please stay tuned for that. But for now, we are going to do a oil change and then just some plugs as well. So let's get started. Okay guys, so while we wait for the oil to drain, I just thought I'd take a second to discuss this video sponsor. This video sponsor is sponsored by STM. So as you guys know, in most of my videos I supply majority of my own parts. So the whole idea with most of my videos is obviously to showcase what STM can supply you and your vehicle. So as you guys have seen in the video early on, we obviously use antifreeze supplied by us, as well as
The rest of the other things, we do supply service kits. You guys might be thinking, why is the full service kit not here? We did do a petrol filter, and we obviously have induction, so that's really not here. As well as we can supply you the plugs, the cam belt, and all of the other necessary service parts. But as you guys can see here, we have the normal stuff like plugs, we have the filter, we have the fan switch, as well as the thermostat, as well as the oil. So yeah, this is pretty much what is needed in order for you to do a minor service on your car. So I just thought I'd take the time and show you guys a few of the parts that will be installed on the street weapon. But yeah, without further ado, let's continue this video.
Okay guys, so we have the brand new fan switch on, and then we also need to wait for the sealer to basically get a little hard before actually putting the thermostat on. And then this is our brand new thermostat as well. I'm just going to ask Dane to get some warm water for me, and then we can test the thermostat. What needs to happen is basically when you add the thermostat into the warm water, the thermostat basically opens. So we're just going to test it before we fit it onto this pipe. You can see the top part over there moving open. I'll just fast forward and show you guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, the top part over there, it moved open like this. So that basically shows you guys that the thermostat is in working condition. My previous one is in working condition. I just thought, seeing that we are there, might as well just change it out for a brand new one. Okay guys, so we just finished up with the EG. As you guys have seen in the video, we did a full flush on the EG. I really wanted to do a radiator flush just to have that peace of mind. I know me and Dane have done it a few years ago, but I just thought I'd do it again. The cool thing about the flush is also we basically created a comparison of the 4 different flushes that we did. This was obviously the first one, moving down to the last one. So as you guys can see, these two are pretty much the same color, but this one is more misty, and this is the last one where it's pretty much clear. And then we added some coolant into the EG after that. So I now have peace of mind that how can I say, my water system is basically 100%. And then obviously we did a minor service to the EG as well. Also, to touch base on the parts that were replaced, didn't really need to be replaced. I actually didn't probably even need to do a service, but anyway, we noticed that the plugs, as well as the switch, as well as the thermostat, was still in very good nick. So if you guys do want it, you can maybe just comment something in the comment section, like hashtag STM the world, screenshot it and send it to me on Instagram, and then I can make contact with you and send it to you if you'd like, because I was gonna anyway throw it away. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on the EG. Seeing that we know that everything is sorted now on the EG with regards to service, etc., we can move on to some other parts. I've already started with some more parts in the interior, which you guys will be seeing in an up and coming video. Then with the EK, I think this week we'll be doing some mechanical work on the EK. Once that is all done, we can start working on the cosmetic side. As you guys know, we have various parts for the EK in terms of cosmetics, so that is something that I'm actually very excited about. And anyway, I'm at the end of the video here. Just want to say once again a massive thanks to Dane actually for always assisting me with all of my cars.
So I'm gonna end it off here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we do plan on going to robot racing at KILLARNEY. For you guys that do not know what robot racing is, it's basically just robot racing without any actual timing. On that note, this past weekend was MSA, which is actually timed runs, and a driver actually passed away. I don't personally know him. I've heard of him before. He drove a Opel Kadett that was powered by a Honda. I think his name was Doc because he is a doctor. So I just thought I'd come on here and also just say my condolences to his family. So yeah, moving forward guys, I am on my way to Carl right now, and as you guys know, Carl drives an S2000, so I might be show you guys a few rips in the S2000 and maybe a few runs at KILLARNEY as well. So yeah, let's go.
Salut!
You found my spot.
Yeah.
This is always my spot here.
That's
Wait, that's
7.5.
nah, this one I have it.
No, that's just flicker on off loading.
Oh yeah, nah, that's the
Like
odd.
Audi.
The 7.5 I have it.